One of my favorite things to do with my kids is hiking. Well, hiking is so much more than just a walk in the woods. We find flowers. We read the signs. We cross streams. We find the biggest, tallest trees. We eat snacks. We climb across fallen trees. We find a place to make camp. We gather and cut wood. We pitch our tent. We light a fire. We then cook some food and sit around the fire and tell stories. When it's time for bed, we climb into the tent and sleep under the stars until morning.